Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can transfer files using QuickShare on Samsung smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So the first thing is that you need to go to the gallery if you want to transfer any file from your gallery. Suppose I want to transfer this picture, and all you need to do is to select that picture. The next thing you need to do is to tap on the share option. And in the share option, you will find the quick share here, right at the bottom. You need to tap on that one. And in quick share, it will scan the nearby devices. If there is any Samsung device available here or any other devices also, as you can see, they're scanning for more. So this device is this one right at the left of the screen. So I will tap on this one. They say turn off a mobile hotspot. If your mobile hotspot is on, it will turn it off first. And as you can see, I just quickly receive the file here on. So you don't need any third-party application. You will receive the files immediately. So you can share other files like documents or videos as well using the same steps. So I will go to the gallery to show the picture that which I just recently received. As you can see, that one was received through QuickShare. So guys, this is how you can use QuickShare to transfer files from one Samsung phone to another. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.